Пожалуйста, возьми кабачок, ради бога. Today we're back on my garden because I have to take some zucchini. It's already really big and we need to take for our salad, of course, radish. We love it now so much. And we'll take some potatoes and fry it. It will be delicious. Many people leave comment what they like, see our recipe. That's why we will make something new and we'll show you. Here my zucchini plant, and it's really big and look really amazing. I'm impressed how big is it. Do you want to see? Okay, here we go. Look at that.
Oh my god. Put your hand there.
It's like maybe like 2.5 of hand mine.
All right.
And we still have small zucchini. It's 2 of them. It's already like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm really impressed. I love zucchini so much.
Okay, try to get that big boy out.
Okay. Oh my god. I never cut zucchini. Oh, I did it. Look at that. You're really good, right? Comment below if you see zucchini this big, because it's not like kabachok, like in Russian big ones, it's zucchini.
Put it right next to your face, let's see.
Do you believe in God? Please, take for name of the God, take zucchini.
Why? Why do Russians say that?
Because Russians usually have a lot of zucchini. I don't know why they grow up so much, but they all the time have a lot of them. And they all the time start ask, do you want a zucchini? Please take my zucchini.
But not us, because this is our
Yeah.
first one. Now it's time to get...
I need to take green onion now. Okay, now time for green onion. I put here a little bit and over there a little bit too. Because I don't make the right place. And I need green onion for my salad with cucumber and radish. Okay, let's go on different side. This zucchini is so big, I don't have space to walk anymore. Oh. Okay. Because here I have a lot of onion too. I think it will be enough for my salad, like that. So it will be really nice and fresh, like a summer salad. Now we will go take some radish.
By the way, guys, sorry for cutting into this video. Just want to let you know that there's really important news at the end of this video. So you know I did get married. And yes, there is a video. Get all the information at the end, all right? I'll see you there.
Many people already know what we love radish salad. That's why already 5th time we will take our radish from our garden. Let's take a look how it's look now. Look at this. I think it's look amazing. Some of them already even broke. I can show because it was a lot of rains in these 2 weeks. They start even blow up. It's really interesting, a little sad because it's happened. I think it's not normal, but it's not a lot of them like this. Usually they're really good size, really big, nice and juicy. Beautiful. Okay. Some of them still small, but we will leave them because they still can grow up. Look at that. So nice and perfect. Please take my radish because people grow up a lot of zucchini, but we grow up a lot of radish. But it's a joke. I don't give you radish. I love it too. And soon you will see my favorite recipe of salad with radish and cucumber. Now it's time to have fun. We will take some potatoes. I know what we need to take out potatoes with shovel, but we don't have a lot of potatoes and we need baby potatoes. That's why we just will put it out and use this thing. Check them. It's a lot of plants here. Oh wow, they look amazing. Look at this. It's already a little bigger than I like, but it's fine. See, nothing else. And take it away. Okay. For me, this is perfect size for delicious potatoes. It's really already big. Let's see, maybe something else inside. Oh, yeah. Now one.
Yep, there's another one there.
Yep. Okay, now I'm wondering how much one plant give me potatoes, and I will account. I will try very fast. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 potatoes. One plant give me 23 potatoes. I think it's successful for our small garden, for first time, for our test, how land good and how we can plant everything.
And we planted 2 weeks after, right?
Yeah, we put these potatoes really late. It was already June. People already put in this time potatoes and it start grow up, but we put it. But it's look like it's really good land and we made really good job. Okay, it was only one plant of potatoes. Now I have to take another one because today I have guests, because tomorrow is our wedding day. By the way, if you're watching this, you're already married. Can you imagine? Now let's take potatoes.
Wow, it had a lot more growing for baby potatoes.
Yeah. Okay, take it away. Take it in our bag. But you still can look. It's really good.
Yep, there's one. Another one there.
Oh, this is even big. Oh my God.
The baby potatoes are delicious.
I want to show you how look good our soil is. Look at that. It's a lot of worms here, but it's amazing. I'm really happy because of this land. Just take a look. In this bag and only 2 plants of potatoes. It's more than enough for 4 people today for dinner. What do you think about that? And now let's take a look again what we take for our dinner today. It's one big zucchini, still huge. We take some radish, it's run away. We take green onion for salad. And we take potatoes for us and my friend who come to our wedding. Look, I went shopping. But honestly, it's really look like I already from the store and buy a lot of things because it's really heavy bags. Now, let's go cook.
Just know that that meal that you saw in the video at the end, it was delicious, and it was the first meal I actually ate as a married man. Okay, that was the day after we were married. There will be videos about the wedding day, but if you want to see the wedding and how it happened live, you know, I'm going to put the link in the description. There's actually a live video about how we got married. It was a beautiful day. You need to go watch it. This is just an amazing thing to celebrate the wedding by eating from our garden. I'm just so happy. I also made a war analysis with the Real Reporter. That video should be up on his channel. I'm planning on doing a little bit more of different content, continuing on how I do things usually. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. But always do tell me exactly what it is you want to see, what do you like seeing, and I'll try to get to it, all right? Thank you so much for the support on this channel. Thank you guys for everything, and I hope you enjoy that wedding video.